ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
And Edward, you miss all the noise now. But someone else has taken over from you. After the assembly. I don't know who it is.
Kreteng golden economy te nga pass na ka science stream na ni yu te nga yo ka second position te nga yo distinction habora subjects te nga so long comment bhai ya ta ba ni kong e kwa ai ngu show you brain ni kong e bo trong ka jing rap ju but kram ka jing sai ju ngam try ngan position ya ma koi menta but ju ko por nga ai ngu so comment ba dani mi pa bala ya rap ha ba ai min sim ha dan ni kap nga hieng sam janga but ajuk por ya kan ka institution ya kan ya por kina kai kila support ba nya na du basdang hi but ajuk por iki porlok na dong shidang hi la dan ningkat nga bala irap nga kajing tumu ban penyo bit ne class 12 ban penyo des bit ban kong but ngaru ningkong hajung class 10 ru por pass ya metric nga stang hindiat hi ban poi halesem jang ko top 20 ti ngam miss no kumba 100 marks ai tamba 100 nga kham ai kata bakan kan stop yang ma ban kiu sha khamat ti ngadang trai stom shu na tu tu bat kini kisnam ba irap kinong hikai ban dong shtong ti na kada ngala ban poi mata shini bat kani determination jangar kla pendong yang bangan drive shikmat ma bangan kiu shiprang bet ma tu shikmat kam ba fin plan pa ahead the defi plan pa ahead fila poi pa shikmat fila dan pa fila long pa ahead of majority of the students ti hajikapor consistency kalong very important kata ting la yo snow bhai but jing tristam but hajikapor smart work so very important bengin incre bengin nang pun bengin te but hajikapor ni dan doubts ni ding kam ban ni clean ni no hikai ban clear ki doubts jingi but idi ban snap mo iki ba ki no hikai ki ai advice baro na dong shtam ki jingi kai jingi ba ki khamte bhai ni mo but ki advice jingi kalong kay rap ni bengin ki shikmat ti kalong kata hi bengin ni nang tristam shu but hajikapor bengin long consistent nga ko abandit jang engineering te computer science engineering mata ngadang shidap kini GE means ngadang prepare se kini advance te kutu hi dadi bangala ban pass ka advance mata pursue yang engineering hat ki IITs te kong preparation jang ka porlong school kumtu te ngam de yo than hi ban record bang hab tuitions te hajikapor happen dap ki assignments ki work ki bayon school at least pan nga try ban bu into like kanta at least ban yo create ya maths physics but chemistry ti tamba kita ni ki por long school bang la ban bu por ban yo create tamba jadi kisni por steam te ngale ban create bit into por sni kat bo yo por ti hoi ban just ko long important bhai tamba nga try ban maximize ya ko por jang mo wala ji ko por nga create ko bit into kumba spo kanta ni ting ru ka tam spo kanta ru but kani winter break ru shoot trish tambet ba krebet tam ya spoken ta.
I'm Edward Polong Lamari from St. Edmunds School, science stream, and I attained the 9th position in Edmunds 2024. I mean, I'm really happy. My teachers have always been telling me like I have the potential, so I'm happy that I lived up to that potential. So I studied around during holidays. It was 15 hours, and if it was during school days, I would try to get at the most 6 hours, or at least would be 3 hours. I would wake up very early in the morning, at least 3 o'clock. Then during school, I would come early, 30 minutes to study in school. After that, it was coaching. Then I'll study there a little bit as well. And Difficulties I faced was mobile, number one. Besides that, honestly, nothing else. It's just mobile and watching YouTube and everything. Then I would say it's the preparation was simple but difficult. All you need to do is listen to your teachers and study, even if it's a little bit every day. Try to do it every day and pray to God. BSc honors maths. That's it. And I did need also, but I don't think I'll make it this year, so I'll be attempting it again next year. Yes. So listen to your teachers. That's the most important, I would say. Most of the year, class 11, I didn't listen to my teachers. I did very badly. Class 12, I started listening. I did very well. So shout out to all my teachers, Miss Florence, Miss Stefisha, who's here, your brother as well, and also have friends who motivate you. You will, if you have good friends, you will reach high places. So shout out to Sami Kongla, to Arki Bansan, all my friends.
I am extremely happy as all my hard work, also my teachers, and they like the hard work have they were fruitful. So yeah, and I thank God for everything, and my teachers, my parents, and also my friends for motivating me every time. I had a routine, so I followed it. During the school days, I study for maximum around 3 hours if I get the time, and during the holidays, I'll be studying around for around 5 to 6 hours.
And I feel really great about the fact that he has got secured fourth rank in the list. And it's not something that is unpredictable. We knew that Ryan would make it to the list. He's been always sincere and disciplined with his work. And when a student does, in the classroom only, you can sense, what a student is capable of. And we could sense Ryan's performance from day one itself. We're really happy.
Ni kumkino hikay da kada kajing achievement, the biggest achievement as teachers. Day tama bago kino hikay kini, but kino hikay kini. Who's part of this institute, we feel extremely proud today. Ni kumkino hikay tingi ju ki potentials jong ki Khynnah, but ni ju share ka ju Khynnah. Namar ba kadon ka potential ni dan kam ban instruct bhai ki. We can now focus, we can now determine what she's not. Te kata hingile bat ni kemen hadu kata-kata nama ba kisngap kita bat kilong kum dia de na kita bat ka jintrest tam juki ho kumni kino hikai te tap ki potentials juki ki Khynnah te ni ra don make expectation adu day one te kam long ta ho kemen pala bani i ka result tang ba ka long ru bani la yo ilu kalong bani la expect ya ka result ni nama ba kuma fi ki de ki Khynnah ki trest tam hadu kata so it was very much expected and kalong dikolan.
Yang jadi kami kami di semua sebutnya, ini ibu kunci tentang mana ketentuan top 10 di sains. Di apa yang kalau ini tentang kemudian pun siapa yang tak nanti berayah kita, bawa pelak, bawa ini yang sains apa yang kita second position. Di kereta ini di ai kubli ya kinong hikai kima tristam ai kaji hikai nam ta tu kumjuru le kini ki tinggi no hikai kima sim tuition yu ni ai kubli langi kita ru di kini hiu kima la kit kya ma kanta kima ai mensim motivate yu ba position ni ka position second position.
Today is a very special day for us in St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School because some of our students have made us very proud. They have rewarded us with good results. They are now rank holders, both in commerce as well as science. I am familiar with all these students. I have interacted with them during the year, so I know them, some of them personally. And I feel very proud that they have reached this milestone in their life, that they are rank holders at a very young age. I am sure as they proceed with higher education, their further studies, they will work hard and bring a lot of rewards, not only to themselves, to their family, and also to the institution. I would also like to thank all our teachers who have worked extremely hard in preparing these students, all students in fact. I deeply appreciate their hard work and commitment to St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School and to all our students. In fact, I am proud to say that we have a fantastic set of teachers in the school who work in a very dedicated way to bring the best out of these students. I thank you, the press, for giving us this time, coming and interviewing our teachers, our students, and also making time for me. Thank you. Actually, I've not had the time today to look at all the results. I also had a period of class with the science students, and there were other things that I had to attend to. Admission is also going on at this moment. But I've got information from the office that we've got very good results compared to previous years. And this year we've also got ranks in the science stream. So we're very proud of this achievement. Yes, definitely. Words of encouragement. In fact, after we got the results, I went to class 12 Science A for my own class in English, and I announced to them the rank holders. And I also encouraged them and told them that you have a big job to do during the course of this year and give us good results in 2025. Some of them were smiling, but I'm sure many of them would work hard and give us their best this year and give us good results next year again.